Hello guys and welcome to this Beacons AI website builder tutorial. Quick disclosure before anything else. This video uses our affiliate link, which is also sitting in the description of the video. And if you sign up through it, it's gonna cost you nothing extra and it's gonna help us support the channel. Okay? With that being said, everything that I show you today is exactly how the tool actually works. So I'm not going to oversell a feature that doesn't hold up. Okay, so what is Beacons? Beacon is basically a link in bio creator commerce platforms that added a genuinely capable AI website builder on top. And for creators who do not want to touch WordPress or Squarespace, it's one of the fastest ways to get like a real professional site live. So we're gonna build one here. Okay guys, so start by signing up through the link in the description, and Beacons is gonna walk you through onboarding with an AI agent right away. This is genuinely one of the smoother first run experiences that I've tested because it's gonna solve the blank page problem immediately instead of dropping you on an empty dashboard. It's gonna ask you for your social handles, so just connect whatever is real for you. It can be YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, anything. This is not just decorative, okay? Because Beacon is gonna pull your actual follower and engagement numbers from this account, and that real data is what later populates your media kit and is gonna feed context into the AI website builder itself. Okay, so once you're connected and you have your main dashboard, what I'm gonna do is let's go head up to the actual feature. So we're just gonna go to link in bio and website, and from there we're gonna click on websites. Okay, so we're gonna click on get started. So guys, from here, something beautiful that you can do is you can select a lot of these templates that are looking very, very good. And for some of you, this is gonna be enough and this is gonna be fine, but I'm actually gonna make it from scratch. So let's click on get started from scratch. And this is gonna work similarly to any other particular like website builder in the sense that you can, add sections, things like that. So an approach that I actually recommend you do is you have to maybe select the website template, and from there you can start working on things. So if I, for example, use this template, as you can see, I can still kind of change it and customize it whatever way I want. So of course it's like a full page, like full landing page, not like a single landing page with a couple of your links, similarly to the Bacon's like a one, okay? So this is different, okay? The other thing is the link in bio format, and this is like a proper website. Now let's say that I want to change this, of course, because I want to make it my own. What I can do in here is I can click on design, I can click on colors, and I can start to change the color palette to whichever I'm feeling like it. And as you can see, it's beautifully going to change everything, not just like a particular color, but pretty much the whole thing. So I recommend by selecting a good color palette for you. And of course, you can make your own. Also, you can create your own kind of brand kit with your personal colors, which is going to be fantastic. In the typographies, you can see in here, you can kind of change all of the things together, like the heading, subheading, and body. And you can select whichever font you want. Okay, this one for me is looking good, so I'm just going to keep it like that. Similarly, you can edit the basically the radius of the bottom corners and the thickness of them. Now, let's make this actually yours. So if you want to edit this, any kind of block that you see in here, it's as easy as just clicking that particular block, okay? And you can edit it directly. So for example, if I go here, so if I click here, you're gonna see that you have two columns. The first column is gonna be our tags that you can basically change in whichever way you like. And our second column is gonna be the image that you can also change. And a functionality that I love is actually the write with AI. If you're having some trouble, being creative with the text, what you can do is you can click on write with the AI, and that's gonna make it, very easy for you. Something that I also love about Beacons is the fact that you can, in the website, you can make like a pop-up to promote a particular product. Okay, as you can see in here. So for these, you only need like an existing product, okay, which you can create by opening your store app. an image, and a text, but it's very simple. And guys, remember that you're not limited to one particular like section or text or page. You can just click on plus section in here, and you're gonna be able to add like different things such as a hero, a content, and store, and an email section. And from this section, you can also add things like images and video or YouTube embeds and things like that. So as you can see, what I did right now is to add the store. This is going to be very important for a lot of you. And this automatically added 2 different products that I'm going to be able to then select from the Select Products tab. Alright guys, so before you go further, just make sure to check the mobile view, as you can see in this icon, because this is where the overwhelming majority of your bio link traffic is actually going to land. So scroll through exactly as a follower would, fixing anything that is cramped or overlapping before it's gonna go live. So guys, the website builder itself is actually free to use with your site published at websitebeacons.ai and your username by default. But if you upgrade to Beacons Premium tier around $10 a month, that's gonna get you a custom domain and that's gonna remove the Beacons branding from the site, which I'm gonna show you right now. It's gonna look like made with Beacons. But yeah, once everything is looking right on both desktop and mobile, just hit on publish. And that's going to be it. You're going to have your complete AI generated personal website. So that's it, guys. Connect your social, describe your vibe, edit the blogs the AI is going to hand you, add whatever pages or subsections you actually need, and publish. This is a full creator website built and live in one setting. So if you want to try this yourself, my link is in the description, and you can just sign up through it, and it's going to cost you nothing extra, like I said before, and it's going to help us a lot. So guys, I hope that this helped, and thank you so much.